Kamu sudah nandatangani surat buat vendor itu? Kalau ngomong sama temen kita pakai kamu ya. Ini yang membuat kenapa mahasiswa begitu selesai lulus masuk ke dunia kerja kemudian gagap. Dia tidak mampu untuk berkomunikasi kepada atasannya. Coba lihat. Bahasa yang non formal yang menggunakan akhiran in. Kegagapan ini yang kita rasakan sewaktu kita menggunakan bahasa Indonesia dalam ragam formal. Kita canggung menggunakannya. Sebaliknya, kalau dilihat, kita bayangkan misalnya ada beberapa
Morning everyone, we are group 1 and today we would like to present our final project entitled The Direction of Standard Indonesian Language as Among University Students. Before we begin, let me introduce our group members. The first, it's me as a moderator, Adina Samia Salma. Second, Jujufian, and third, Dia Fatma Pratiwi. Alright, the introduction and problem analysis will be explained by Cici Jufian.
Okay, thank you Salma. Alright, in Rahma et al. 2025, Indonesian serves as the national and official language of Indonesia and plays a vital role in communication, education, and national unity. However, in Widodo 2021, technological advancement, social media, globalization, and digital culture have encouraged university students to use non-standard language, slang, abbreviation, and code switching in daily communication. This trend may weaken students' proficiency in standard Indonesian, particularly in academic writing and formal communication, making it an important issue for education and language preservation.
Next, problem analysis. In the causes of the decreasing in standard Indonesian among university students seen in 3 problem analysis. First, what factors are causing the decreasing in Indonesian language use among university students? Second, what are the impacts of this phenomenon? Third, what effort can be made to increase Indonesian language use university students? Alright, thank you. I'll hand the session back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you Cici. Alright, the impact and solution will be explained by Dia Fatma Pratiwi.
Thank you Salma as a moderator. Slide 5 is impact on university student. There are the impact on academic and professional prospect, a meta-analysis of 15 empirical studies by Hartono 2023 in Nurrahma et al. Revealed the 82% of university educators observe a significant decrease in the quality of student formal writing compared to previous generation. Next slide is solution. Solution in this case, for solution, encouraging the use of standard Indonesian in academic activities. Fauziah and Sabani 2023 emphasizes the maintaining proper Indonesian is the responsibility of the entire academic community, not only Indonesian language lectures. Therefore, universities should encourage the consistent use of standard Indonesian in assessment, presentation, and classroom discussion. Second, providing regular feedback on language error. Fahrudin 2020 suggests that error analysis can help students identify and correct language mistakes. Therefore, lecturers should provide regular feedback on grammar, spelling, and vocabulary errors in student academic works. Third, increasing academic writing practice. Shah Putra et al. 2022 found that the increasing use of slang among university students may affect the use of proper Indonesian. Therefore, universities should provide more opportunities for students to practice academic writing using standard Indonesian through essays, reports, and research paper. Thank you. All hand the session back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you Dia. And next, conclusion by me. Okay, in concluding, the use of standards Indonesian among university students is decreasing because of technology, social media, globalization, and slang. This can affect their academic and professional communication skills. Therefore, universities should enhance the use of standard Indonesian and provide more writing practice to help students improve their language proficiency. Thank you for attention. Bye.
Keren banget sih itu memang. Jadi memang pengen nunjukin lah kayak menyinari diri, seakan-akan kalian itu berorganisasi itu cuman kejarannya keren gitu ya. Jadi saya cukup gimana ya, secara nalar logika gitu untuk kalian ngurus suatu organisasi yang gede gitu, kalian ngurus cakupan lingkupan yang gede gitu. Keinginan apa mau ngurusin ini gitu loh, kayak ngapain gitu kan.
Jadi poinnya apa, antara pencitraan atau emang niat saya untuk ngurus organisasi?
Iya, jadi gini, di balik
Pulang. Oke. Next.
Thank you, Salma.
Biar ketahuan.
Udah dipencet belum? Dah.
Education and language preservation. First, what factor? What? Oke, salah. Ulanglah.